Corneil Bernie.
I am a dog. A dog? I can talk, read and write. And surf the net all of the day and all of the night.
Corneil, you can talk!
And much more, Bernie, but keep it to yourself.
If we let the cat out of the bag, you'd be a celebrity! If you want to lead a dog's life, the secret's gonna stay with you and me!
Watch my chops, shush!
It's no joke, the doggy Smokey said, watch my chops.
They must never hear a word.
A talking dog! How absurd. Oh, how silly. You didn't even hear me coming. And you call yourself a guard dog.
Bernie, stop your silly jokes and give me that book!
Forget about it. Come play with me instead. Come on, grab it, doggy. Grab it.
Give me my book! Give me my book! Bernie!
That's it. That's what I want.
Bernie, would you please follow me and bring Corneil?
Huh?
Say hello to Bernie, Penelope. Penelope, please answer.
Huh?
Say hello to Corneil, Clovis.
Who?
Oh, you see, it's what I told you. Not a hello or a bark from either of them.
Oh, they're rude, that's all.
Oh, Bernie, if it were only that. But no, it's much worse.
You realize, Bernie, that since Clovis stopped barking, Penelope hasn't said a word.
I'm convinced that if Clovis barked again, Penelope would speak. They have such complicity.
You know dogs so well. I'm sure you could get Clovis to bark.
And I will be generous. After Clovis barks.
Naturally, trust me, dogs are my thing. Your mutt will bark in 10 minutes.
And what about taking little Penelope with you, Bernie?
Hey, little girl, I've got an idea. If you speak, I'll split the reward with you 50-50. That's fair, right? Ow! Ah! Ow! Ah, ouch!
Oh.
Ain't that a shame? I'll force Clovis to bark, and I'll be in all the money.
Oh, for goodness sake, Bernie, don't you have any shame?
No. Why? You'll see in 5 minutes flat, it'll be solved.
What are you doing?
Ta-da!
Bernie, what's all this?
Corneil, all dogs bark at Mailman, so I am a mailman. It's simple, but you have to think of it. Go ahead, admit it. I got a lot going on upstairs. Hello, I'm the mailman. La 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 la. Oh, yeah, I put it in the wrong way. I got a whole bunch of registered letters and letters and letters. La 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 la. Hey there, I'm still the mailman. Obviously, it's because I'm not down at his level.
You mean you're far below his level?
Me, mailman, you dog. I deliver mail, you bark. Woof, woof! I'm a mailman. Bark, bark. You're growling there.
Bernie.
Back, Corneil. He's going to bark. That's for sure. Ah! Corneil! I'll make him bark. I'm telling you, I will make him bark.
Bernie, in my opinion, if Clovis doesn't bark, it's due to an emotional shock or a problem in his early puppyhood. We must seek the answer in the field of psychology.
Silliness. No need for some psycho whatever with a dog. A dog doesn't think. It eats, runs, and barks. That's it.
So I don't think. I just eat, run, and bark, and that's it.
Sure, yeah. And what's more, you talk and you talk too much. You keep me from thinking.
Huh.
I have an idea. See what happens when you keep quiet. Ta-da! I know how to make Clovis bark. Follow me and admire.
So, Bernie, what have you found?
Trust me, John, I've thought a lot about it, and I have the solution. Ta-da! Meet Francis. Isn't he cute?
You were up all night thinking up the cat idea? Oh, yes, you've got a lot going on upstairs. Next time, why not bring the moon into the living room to make Clovis bark?
Oh, yeah? Why?
Well, it's well known dogs bark at the moon.
Oh, Corneil, that's lame. You can't fit the moon into the living room.
Are you sure?
Watch out, it'll sting.
Watch my chops. That's no way to make Clovis bark.
Oh, yeah? And how do you think it should be done, Mr. Know-It-All?
Watch closely. Tell me, Clovis, what's that look like to you?
Come on, Corneil, that's easy. It's just some burgers.
Oh, Bernie, a little quiet, please. Let me work in peace.
You see, it's hamburgers for him, too. I told ya.
Pooh. I'm going to try something else. I'm going to hypnotize him. Clovis, watch this closely. You are a dog. You are a dog. You are a dog. You bark. You are a dog. You are a dog. You bark. Wake up, Bernie! Wake up!
Ah! What? What happened? Did he bark?
Not really. Is everything okay, Bernie?
Yeah, I'm fine. You have any other useless ideas to show me?
Number 1, the dog descended from the wolf. Number 2, wolves live in packs with a pack leader that they all imitate. Therefore, Clovis needs a leader, a mentor. And because I happen to be a dog, I will be his mentor.
Get away, you beast! You're scaring those poor birds!
Did he bark?
That old girl really smacked you. Hey, Mr. Mentor, Clovis is never going to imitate you.
Oh, is that so? And why not?
Because you're bad at acting like a dog.
How can I be bad at acting like a dog? I am a dog.
All the same, I'm still a better dog than you. Watch and learn. What do you say, Corneil? I do a good dog, don't I? Don't I do a good dog?
You're grotesque.
Grotesque yourself. Look at you with that bandaged nose, you balloon head. Oh!
Me, a balloon head? Well, if that's how it is, you're on your own to make him bark.
Oh, I see, Mr. Silky Face. Mr. If that's how it is. Huh, I'm not talking to you anymore either.
Bernie, I've got it.
I don't care. I'm through talking to you.
I don't mean to upset you, but you just spoke to me then.
Oh, you really always have to have the last word, huh? Okay, fine, if that's how it is.
Penelope and Clovis stopped talking because they had an argument. Quick, we have to find Penelope.
That's crazy. As if you could argue with a dog.
That's it, all right.
So, Bernie, has Clovis made any progress?
Bernie really takes his role seriously. He wants to show Clovis how to do it.
I want my ball! She speaks! She speaks! Oh, thank you, Bernie!
Oh, lovely green stuff. To me! To me! To me!
Oh, I see.
Way cool! Look at what I bought with the neighbor's cash! Ta-da!
Bernie, you're not going to like this, but the reason you played the dog so well...
I knew I was good!
It's because I hypnotized you by accident, and I forgot to snap my fingers to bring you completely out of the hypnosis. Sorry.
Ah!